Hello, we're here today to do our Lab 11 on Intc 2020. We're going to create a publishing point. As you can see, we're going to create an anonymous or announcement file, and then we're going to establish a Windows Media Service connection. Alright, we're going to start off with this publishing point. Here we're going to be on our first server. We'll go to our administrative tools. We'll go to our Windows Media Server. In the left scope plane, we're going to expand our servers node. We're going to go to selecting our publishing points right here. We're going to right click on that node, and we're going to add the publishing point wizard. Just makes it easier. We'll run through this process to make one. We're going to change the name to Streaming 01, and then we're going to click next and run through the whole process of accepting it. On this next icon, make sure you click one file useful for a broadcast and go next. From here, on the publishing point type, make sure you pick on-demand publishing, and on our next one, the existing a publishing point, leave it as it is. Leave it on add a new publishing point, because that's what we're trying to create. Hit next. On the browser, mainly we're going to go look up a place. We're going to look up industrial.wmv file. It's right here, as you can see it. You'll select that file, click yes, click next, and the wizard should be over. And when it's done, it'll end up right here for you with everything that you did. That'll be your first step. As you can see, it's here. The type is on demand. The content, as I said, industrial.w.mv, and the status is to allow new connections. So when we go to our second server, that we will be able to check it when we want. Alright, and that's our first one. Now we're going to create an announcement file. Again, in our Windows Media Server, which I just closed. Go back to our Windows Media Server, continue. Alright, from here on this page, we're going to expand our publishing node again, back down here at publishing point. We're going to expand on this. The file that we made earlier, just previously made, we're going to click on it, Stream 01. In the detail pane, click the announcement tab. Now here, we're going to look for the Run Unicast Announcement Wizard, and we're going to run through this whole process. Click next. Next to the default URL, we're just going to keep it the way it is. Click next. Now down here where it says create a web page with the embedded player and link to the content, we're going to click it and then just hit next. It comes up with its own browsing route, and that'll be perfectly fine. Click next. Once it's done, just click next on the editing announcement media data page appears. Just click next. It'll accept everything, and the wizard will be done. And it's just that easy on creating the. So now our last one is establishing a Windows Media Service connection. Now we're going to see if those two things work that we just did. So we're going to get on our internet. We're going to look up our server contasso.stream. It is what we just made, Stream 01 was the point we just made, publishing point we just made. So we'll hit OK. As you can see, the lab is working. When we first come here, we'll click this standalone, launch standalone, and nothing will happen. So then we'll shut our internet thing down. We'll go back to our server manager, and we're going to add a feature. So we need to jog down here to under our features roles, add features. We're going to add the feature of, it's called desktop experience. It's right here, desktop experience. We'll add that feature on. We'll install it. Once it's installed, make sure you restart your computer. Once your computer is restarted and has cut back on, we will try to go here again. We'll go back to that stream 01 where nothing happened previously. This video wouldn't have been here previously, where nothing happened previously when we did the launch standalone. Now, as you can see, we actually have a video put in place, and everything looks appropriate. And that would actually conclude this video. Thank you very much, and you guys have a good day.